Hey Drone Nerds, Matt here. In today's video, we're going to discuss DJI Care for enterprise drones. DJI Care for enterprise drones is essential to your investment in a drone program. DJI offers coverage with different options for unlimited replacements or free repair services for any type of accident, whether that be from crashing your drone, water damage, signal interference, or even a flyaway. Adding this protection to your fleet, you can rest assured that your drones with DJI Care Enterprise will have total accident protection and can continue providing ROI. DJI Care Enterprise offers unlimited free replacement up to the MSRP of your enterprise drone. Managing from one account, you can add shared coverage with your entire fleet of drones, and there is no limit to the amount of drones that can be added to your fleet, giving you peace of mind so you can focus on the mission. There are 2 coverage plans for DJI Care Enterprise. For smaller operations, basic coverage is unique to each drone in the fleet and offers 2 replacements in case of an accident with a low price replacement fee. You can also extend the service by purchasing a renewal for DJI Care Enterprise Basic. For larger programs, DJI Care Enterprise Plus can be shared with your entire fleet and offers unlimited replacements in case of an accident with no replacement fee. This coverage plan can also be renewed. So no matter if your drone has an accident due to user error, signal interference, a collision, suffers water damage, or drop damage, with DJI Care Enterprise, you can be assured that you're covered. DJI will even pay for all the shipping costs. As long as the drone is inside the covered region, you will not need to pay anything for shipping. The process is very simple, and DJI has a quick turnaround for these claims. As you can see on the list here, DJI covers all the major enterprise drones, as well as all the major enterprise payloads. Adding DJI Care Enterprise is essential to ensure that your drones continue to provide ROI for years to come. Contact us here at Drone Nerds if you would like to discuss the coverage options. If you have any questions about DJI Care for enterprise drones, go ahead and put those down in the comments. Also, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. My name is Matt. Happy flying.